Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to insert a Pine script into TradingView. First, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. Once the website loads, log in to your account. After logging in, open any chart. Now, look at the right side of the screen. You will see a panel with different tabs. Find the tab called Pine. Click on Pine. The editor panel will open where you can create and manage your Pine scripts. Inside the Pine editor, look at the top of the editor window. You will see the script name displayed there. Click on the script name. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Create New. After clicking Create New, you will be asked to choose what type of script you want to create. You can select Indicator if you want to create a custom indicator. Or you can select Strategy if you want to create a trading strategy that can be backtested. Once you select the type, a new blank script will appear in the editor. Now you can enter your script. You can either paste an existing Pine script into the editor or write your own code directly in this area. After adding your script, click the Add to Chart button at the top of the editor. Your indicator or strategy will now appear on the chart. Thanks for watching.